Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today I'm working on actually the gauges in this Cavalier don't work. So that's kind of what it looks like. And the reason the rest of the dash is off is because I was needing to replace these. And fuel and temp never worked when I got it. RPM, I mean you can see it's sitting at, what is that? 1400 RPM. Obviously the vehicle switched off. So that just what doesn't work at all. Once in a while it works, and that works about every other time, sometimes a lot more, sometimes less. When it does work, it's right on. But there's actually a place on eBay that sells actually, basically they take them and they replace the parts, then they be replaced, and then actually put, I think, blue backlighting on it, something like that. It's just like something inside. Anyway, so it's pretty cool. So I'm actually going to be, and then actually they sent, I think he said he sent a return label. So basically, you just put the old one in the same box and send it right back, and they can do the same one with that, you know. So, yeah, I'm going to crack the thing open and put it in there. And that's be really nice now because I have no clue what fuel or temp gauge or temp, what the coolant temp is or fuel level, anything like that. So it's gonna be really nice now. And I'll probably link it down below in the description. And so you guys can go check it out if you need one for, forget what year it is. It's a 2004, so I think it works up to 2005. I'm not sure what year it starts, but whatever year it comes with these gauges. So yeah, crack this thing open and get it in there. Alright guys, so here it is. Looks pretty clean. Obviously still have to plug it in. And yeah, so yeah, here's the deal. So this doesn't have the so it's got this little piece of clear plastic you can see here, but it doesn't have the piece that I don't believe, yeah, so there's just a kind of a piece in here that's just sitting here, and I popped this off and basically put the plastic piece, it's like the outer clear plastic piece, like this. I believe that's what I'm supposed to do. It's like on this one, and then I just send them. I basically just swap it out and then put theirs back on mine, send it out, and so yeah, I think I just have to pop it in there. And it also says it's 2000 till 2005, so that's what year these should fit. And yeah, link. I'll put the link down below if I remember. And yeah, I guess let's get this installed and hopefully it works. I mean, I can already see fuel and temp gauge where they're supposed to be, and they're not both sitting over here, or actually right there, I think is where it was. Yeah. All right, yeah, I guess get it installed. All right, guys, so that was obviously very quick and easy because I already had the dash out. But as you can see, it's on there. Let's see. Oh yeah, everything seems to be working. Coolant, I can actually see. That is so nice. You don't realize how much you miss it until you actually see it. It's like like this whole time I had no clue what any of this stuff is doing. So, oh yeah. Yep, that is really, really nice. So, I think that's gonna be all for this video. So like and subscribe. And I guess I'll see you guys on the next one, and I'll link it down below. All right, guys. So I was just editing this video, and since then, there were a couple little problems with the gauge cluster. Mile per hour was slightly off, and after the first day, there was a little problem with the readout on the bottom that had the odometer reading, and I couldn't really see it. But that is already fixed, and actually my original one is already on its way back to me. So yeah, that has all been taken care of. And yeah, I'll link also. We'll be linking the product down below, this gauge cluster, in case you need one for 2000 till 2005 Chevy Cavalier. And yeah, until next time, check out some more of my videos or whatever.